All right, hello everyone. My name is Jarrett, and I decided to do my ad on the Oakley brand. The reason why I wanted to do this, first of all, is because I have a lot of friends that have actually worked there when I was back in California, and also I feel like that in order to help them to expand on their promotions, that I would help them by choosing this for my advertisement to see if that's something that they would like to pursue or promote. The main thing that I want to talk about with this one is actually the glasses, because Oakley has a lot of like clothing lines as well, but I want to focus on just the accessories on the glasses. And so with the original ad, this is what you see. With this original ad, you see the guy with the glasses, as was the design at the very bottom, so that you know exactly what you're talking about. The target audience here is for basically people who are outdoors, who like to be active, who like to use glasses in order to either enhance or to shade their eyes or to bring out a lot more color, depending on what you're doing in the activity, as well as if you're playing a sport or if this is just for leisure activity. So with the closer look, first we're talking about the typography. So the font that you see right here is the Impact, and it's about a 64 font. And when I was looking this up, the font itself is actually pushed down a lot more, as well as the letters are a lot more condensed to make it seem like this is of utmost importance. That's basically what I was getting from. And by doing so, it takes up part of the screen and it takes up the white space. You can still see the guy who's looking down and who's showing off the glasses, and you can see the Oakley design at the very bottom, which is still important so that you know what the product is as well as where you can get it. Now, when we're talking about the design, we're talking about the glasses itself. So I put in square the brand as well as the product, because this is what your eye is basically going to be drawn towards, as well as the part that's contrasting with the main impact, such as like change perspective with Red Rock and Beyond Reason. Now, the reason why I wanted to choose this one is because with the slogan of change perspective, your main idea is, when you think of perspectives, you think eyesight, or you think a change of mind or the way you see things. So with that, you can automatically see. So instead of looking at the guy's shirt, for example, the main thing that you're going to be drawn towards is the eyes. And so with the black and white, I thought that this was interesting that they used, because with perspective, you want to see more bright colors. You want to see more color in general. So when you're talking about the glasses, it brings that out. It actually emphasizes on that. So for the new ad, I decided to go with this one. You're going to see that the glasses are a little different, that the guy is using them for what would seem like more reading or for something that's a lot more mellow with his activities. But you can also see that this is the same typography, same size. The new slogan is "See Life Through New Eyes." And so that's going to be talking about the glasses and the different types and the varieties which they can offer to whoever's interested. As well as you're going to see the Oakley sign, which will also tell you where to be able to get those things. This is taking up the white space, as well as it's aligned up and down, which is off to the side. With the original, the main character was on the right side. This one is on the left, but it's still around the same size, and it's going to be with the same format size. So you can see that right there, as well as the logo still attached, and you're going to have Garage Rock and Beyond Reason, which is the main parts that you want to focus on. Oakley.